Hey, Deepak bro, could you get me?
Hello? No, who's that calling?
Deepak, this is your batchmate from Rainbow School. Do you remember? Chaman. You guys used to call me Chaman Chu. You used to call me CC.
Oh, yes, John, bro. How are you doing, man? I got you. Such a long time. It's a pleasure hearing from you. How are you doing, buddy?
I'm doing great, man. But yeah, you guys have done this phenomenal thing. What is all this corona shit that you have spread? Yeah, you doctors are like, too much. I tell you, bro, I got a WhatsApp forward. There's nothing called as a corona thing, bro. This is just a 5G testing that they are doing, man. This is in the advanced stages, and that is what is causing all those changes in the X-rays of the lungs and that.
Oh my god! Wow!
Do you know that? But I'm really happy that you guys have spread it, yaar. I'm like minting money like anything from my medical equipment business.
No, bro, it's a viral infection. It's a systemic hyperinflammatory response. It causes a bilateral pneumonia. It can go serious, buddy.
Oh my god. Deepak bro, you haven't changed. And now that you have become a wonderful famous doctor, you are using too heavy words, man. But by the way, I just gave you a call, yaar. Actually, I have been pissed off by Tayaji. You remember him?
Yeah, the one who used to bring you to school and beat you black and blue.
Oh God, Deepak, you can't make that public, man. But
Oh, I
yeah,
remember.
I
I
just had,
remember. You tried to hit upon somebody, some girl, and there was a complaint against you, and then you were beaten back and blue by Tayaji. I remember
Deepak,
that incident.
no, my buddy. You can't disclose. You can't wash my dirty linen in the public. By the
Okay.
way, I was just thinking, yeah, he is actually keeping really fit. I mean, he's like 75 years, has got some blood pressure problems, takes few jabs of insulin to keep his sugar in control. But then all this, all this hoopla and the advertisements regarding get the vaccine have made him quite anxious. And then he's got his grandson. This guy has turned really. I mean, he's like a young gun, and there are chicks, falling on egg that like they used to do on our ass. So he's also turned 19, and Tayed is after me. I mean, he's like forcing me to, get some info about this vaccine and all. I don't know. I haven't been able to convince him. Could you help me out with that?
Oh yes, buddy. You need to follow the protocol. Don't you know? Ji always ask everybody to follow the protocol. So Tayaji is a high risk patient. So उनको तो पक्का वैक्सीन लगवाना है and his grandson also he's 19 so he's eligible for vaccination because anybody above the age of 18 years has to be vaccinated. We need to break this chain man of corona और ये corona is not due to 5G man. This is a viral infection. It's come from China man. It's called as the Wuhan virus.
Oh God. And I told Tayaji, Deepak Bro has become really famous. His videos are getting viral on the YouTube as well. But then I also heard about the fact, yeah, that once you get this vaccine, you can also get the infection still. I mean, this is like wastage of money, yeah. You understand that we are making loads of it, but then, I mean, how can we afford it that we should be wasting money on vaccine which is not giving us enough protection?
See, bro, I was checking out your Facebook account. You were standing with behind, or rather, I would say you were flaunting a Fortuner, right?
Hey, did you like the color and the tiger imprint that I specially got it done from Gurugram?
Yeah, I got it, buddy. But if you bought a Fortuner, you would be driving it with a seatbelt on, right? Do you use a seatbelt?
Yeah, these
Oh,
guys actually put you under a heavy salam these days if you don't use
protocol.
it.
Let me talk. He has said we need to follow protocol. Did you not see that? Let me talk. You see, the basic point is that just like when you're sitting in a car, whether it's a fancy car, it's ultimately that you need to use a seatbelt to protect yourself, bro. That's the same thing that's happening here. You need to use the vaccine to protect yourself and protect other people.
Oh, now just as because you are telling me to get this vaccine, man, I'm thinking of getting this Jackson and Jackson vaccine or maybe the modern girl vaccine. somebody told me these foreign vaccines, you already know my fetish for foreign things. Remember Baywatch and all stuff, man? Naughty stuff. These vaccines are giving you power. They give you solid power, man. I don't know. I'm not very convinced with the Indian vaccines. I am not getting that. What do you call that? What efficacy? I mean, efficacy. What? I'm not very convinced with it, bro.
Holy crap, man. That's not efficacy. It is efficacy. It is how effective the vaccine is. And it's not Jackson and Jackson, it's Johnson and Johnson. And it's not a modern girl, it's Moderna, man. Come on. You need to upgrade.
Oh God! Again, Deepak, you and your jargon. I don't know. But then, on a very, very serious note, or I would say in your terms, an academic note, could you just help me with that, bro? What is to be done ultimately?
Hey, bro, I'll just say three simple things, and you just need to understand those three simple things that I'm highlighting. First and the foremost is everybody needs to take a vaccine, and then everybody needs to use a double mask.
Vaccine and then mask also. Deepak, don't you know, bro? It makes me feel so suffocated. Are we supposed to be requiring a mask even after the vaccine?
See, bro, you put on a seat belt and after that you drive a car, right? But that Fortuner, you're not gonna drive it on an Indian road at 250 kilometers per hour, right? There are three important things that I want you to understand. Point number one, everybody has to take the vaccine after 18 years of age. You need to go in for double masking when you're going in a public place. And most importantly, you need to go for social distancing. I'll repeat that in Hindi, buddy. Seedhi baat, no bakwas. We need to break that chain.
Oh, Deepak, you remember the fact that I could clear the board exams only because you marked my textbooks. So I'm going to be totally relying upon you, my friend, and I'm going to be following this very seriously and hoping that you just take us out of this shit.
Yeah, it's been great talking to you, buddy. I hope you follow my advice.
Thank you so much, Deepak.
Take care.
Wonderful calling.
Take care. Take care. Bye bye.